Welcome to Codoki.ai, where you can ship code and not bugs in just a few clicks. To log in, click here. Once you're on app.codoki.ai, simply click Continue with GitHub to log into your dashboard. Every individual and company is different. Codoki has a built-in rules library, enabling you to add a variety of rules and tailored to you and your team's needs. You can check out our extensive library of rules here. With a rules library that's constantly growing, you can search and apply any of the various pre-built rules available to instantly apply based on your specific needs. Or you can actually choose to build your own rules through our Add Rule feature. Customize your rules based on you and your team. Simply fill out things like rule name, short description, instructions, scope and severity, and click Save to have your specific rule applied on a global or repo level. Finally, choose to easily toggle rules on and off based on you and your team's needs. We look forward to Codoki accelerating your development.